G'day guys, back with another simultaneous equation problem here. You could use elimination or substitution, but look, we've got cancelling coefficient help, and it's much more fun to use elimination. We know it's going to be faster. So I'm just going to write the equations out again over here. The first one, 3m take 4n is equal to negative 1. No, just 1. Got to look at what I'm doing. And the second one, m take 4n equals 11. So we've got the first step that we need to use elimination, and that is we've got the coefficients of one of the variables to be the same in magnitude. And this time they're exactly the same. It's negative 4 and negative 4. Remember, the aim of your next step is to eliminate one of the variables. To eliminate one, in this case, if they're both negative, I'm going to have to subtract one equation from the other one. I want to keep the coefficient of the other variable, in this case m. I want to try and keep that positive if I can. So I'm going to do equation 1 minus equation 2. What does that do for me? Well, 3m minus m leaves me with 2m. Negative 4n minus negative 4, so minus negative becomes plus, doesn't it? Okay, so they cancel out, that's what we wanted. And 1 minus 11 is negative 10. Now it becomes pretty easy. We've got m equals negative 5. I want to solve for the letter n, so I'm going to substitute that value, sub m equals negative 5 into, and you can pick either one. I'm going to choose equation 2. Neither of them are particularly easy in terms of n, and it's slightly easier in terms of m. What does equation 2 become? Instead of m minus 4n, I write negative 5. Minus 4n, and that equals 11. Adding 5 to each side, I get negative 4n equals 11 plus 5, 16. Final step, this is negative 4 times n. What's the inverse operation? Of course it is. It's dividing by negative 4n. When I divide each side by negative 4, I get n equals negative 4. So my solution is m equals negative 5 and n equals negative 4. Is the simultaneous solution, if you want to write it that way. Terrible penmanship there, but luckily you know what I mean. Now, the question there was, is m3 and n2? That was interesting, because if you sub it into the first one, 9, 3 times 3, minus 4 times 2 is indeed 1. That works. But when we get to this one here, we'll have 3 minus 8. That's going to be negative 5, isn't it? So we can always check our answers to see if they work. Let's try it with my two, negative 5 and negative 4. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Negative 4 by negative 4 is positive 16. Negative 15 plus 16. Yep, that's 1. That works. What about the other one? Negative 5 minus negative 4. We already did that one in the question before, didn't we? Negative 4 by negative 4 is 16. Negative 5 plus 16, 11. We know we've got it right. I hope that helps. Keep the questions coming. Good to see people using the collaboration space. Keep it up, guys.